Real Haitian baby, hope you know what all them zoes about. We gon' keep it active, we gon' do a lot of running miles. Real cute bitch, nasty ass attitude. You ain't getting money, why the fuck you think I'm starting?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's your girl Sherry, and I'm back with another video. Yes, we are here with content after content after content. Anything I buy from Ulta or Sephora, I'm gonna put you on, okay? All right, I'm gonna let y'all know what's good in the hood. Let's just jump right into it. I want to begin with Fenty from Sephora again. It's crazy how I bought so many little things and it just was a lot. Ching ching, yeah, broke my pockets like that. But I'm gonna first go in with this foundation. I bought a new foundation. What? Me? Bought a new foundation? Yes, I know. I said, I know in the video, I said, I can never try another foundation. If it's not Estee Lauder, I can't. But sometimes I get tired. I'll admit, you know, full coverage girls get tired of beating their face so heavy, not heavy, but you know, so full and so beat, so glam. Sometimes we just want that simple look, that simple, soft, but still we out here pretty skin, you know? So Rihanna came out with an EAZE Drop foundation. I bought this color in a, I say in the size. I'm still on clothing. I bought this foundation in the color 20. Yes, as you can tell, blendable right into my skin. This comes in 25 shades. Yes, tinted moisturizer. Don't have SPF, so do put your SPF into your skincare regimen, and then you can apply this on. Very smooth, very blurring. It's just very quick to put on. You could use your fingers with these. Yes, yeah, fingers. Make sure it's clean. But put your fingers with it. Use your fingers with them, and yeah, I applied it all over my face. Very lightweight. After I applied this on, I had bought another thing from Fenty because I wanted all into the soft look. I had bought a cream blush. This cream blush, Rose Latte. Yes, I used it today. Take it out of the box for video purposes. In a small little container. Oh my gosh, very pigmented. Don't even need a lot. This is Rose Latte right there. There you go. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. Let me just add a little bit more blush to the skin. Just tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap. Let me start. There you go. This cream, oh my gosh, just love it. Rose Latte, okay? Right, what you got in there? Ooh. So, as I want this soft look for the summertime, you know, when I'm traveling or, you know, going to the store real quick, I want to have my lips looking soft and moisturizer. So I went ahead and got Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Lip Pop, nourishing plus smoothing. Here's the color. It leaves a tint to your lips. Oh my gosh, Fenty, 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 okay? Fenty. I got her boss, She's a boss. She's a boss lady. I got her Gloss Bomb, Fenty by Fenty Beauty. The one I have on my lips right now, I'm gonna start with, is Fussy. It's like a light pink. Very cute. So this is the pink gloss Fussy color. There it is. Just very pink and soft. Next shade I had gotten was the Fenty Glow. This one was the original I had bought before. So this one is it looks orangey, but very comes out clear nude gloss shimmer. There you go. And of course, I love my brown chocolate, hot chocolate. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's it. Hot chocolate, Fenty Glow, Fussy, yes, Rose Latte Blush. And now for Ulta, I have the I'm Honey mask by TonyMoly. There you go. Just, you know, hydrated. I want something smoothing on the skin. And then I got the I'm Aloe, the aloe vera sheet mask. You know, I love doing my, I've been so heavy on skincare. Oh my gosh, love skincare. I'm running out of my glue, so I bought the Duo Rose Water and Biotin Strip Lash Adhesive. No formaldehyde and latex free. So I've been using it. My eyes do not react badly to it, so I am happy about that. I am on a gloss search. I bought a couple of glosses. Oh my god. By NYX, brought out a new gloss. So I'm gonna do that last. But I want to show you the gloss that I bought. Buttergloss, Gingersnap. Like a dark brown chocolate look. There you have it. That, oh my gosh, I love doing chocolate looks. Bit of honey. Honey. Buttergloss, yes. Okay, that's the color. Madaline, girl. Guys, y'all, let me show you Madaline. Oh my gosh, this color, this is it. Okay, this is the color. Nude, pretty. Oh my gosh. So from my wrist to my elbow, Gingersnap, bit of honey, and Madaline. Very pretty colors. I've been looking, I don't know if you guys are familiar with MAC Cosmetics Lipglass. I've been looking for this lip gloss for a while. It's the color, what's that name? It's the color Obviously Bare. This color, I've been looking so much for this shade. They discontinued it. Why, MAC? Why? Anyways, I feel like I got a dupe. NYX made a dupe for this. This is called the Cookies and Cream. Wow. It is definitely not cookies and cream, but you know, that's my favorite. Cookies and Milk. This is Milky Gloss by NYX. This is Milky Gloss by NYX. I'm excited. I'm gonna swatch for y'all. Wow. This gotta be a dupe. I'm back. So guys, I found the gloss. This is Obviously Bare by MAC. And this is the one by NYX. I'm going to show you the one by MAC, okay? This is the color by MAC. There you go. That's, oh my gosh. That, I was going on a witch hunt. I was going on a hunt for this color. I'm gonna go in with NYX. Tell me, y'all. That is a dupe. That's a dupe right there. Y'all see it? This is a little bit lighter, but this color still works. My lip combo, I used to do Fresh Brew, Chestnut, and the Obviously Bare. So now I'm gonna do Fresh Brew, Chestnut, and the Cookies and Milk. And then with the gloss, oh. Oh, oh, it smells amazing. Now that is my combo. That is my combo. That's my combo. Nude lips. So when my makeup is getting, you know, oily a bit, you know, my oils are coming out or I'm a little bit sweaty, I will blot my makeup off with NYX matte blotting paper. It has 50 count in it. Definitely need this on vacation or wherever you're going this summer. Just pat your makeup, then add your powder and you'll be good. Brand new, real quick, right in your purse. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in toffee. Love this nude brown look, very soft. I already have one and I just bought it again because I have this combo. I got this mixture, but this mixture is gonna be my own. I add like 3 different things to it and it made my lips look amazing. I'm like, wow, this is a chemist. I'm a chemist. I'm a chemist. I'm a chemist. But this is the color. Hold on. Ooh, pigmented. Yes, thank y'all for watching. That is it for my haul. I will see y'all in the next video, so stay with me. Why I'm always like, ooh, like a magical, yes, like I'm whipping y'all up with me. Stay with me, slay with me.
Baby, hope you know what all them zoes about.